Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Maserati door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a suitable screwdriver set. Before you begin, ensure the vehicle's power is completely off to prevent any electrical mishaps. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth on nearby surfaces to protect them from scratches as you work. Taking these initial steps will make the entire process smoother and safer. Next, we'll focus on removing the hidden fasteners. Begin by gently prying off the small trim piece located behind the door handle, using your plastic trim removal tool to avoid damage. Beneath this trim, you will typically find 1 or 2 screws. Additionally, look for another screw or 2 within the armrest area. Carefully remove all these screws and also check the bottom and side edges of the door panel for any other securing fasteners. Now, with all the screws removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Starting from a bottom corner, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear clips releasing as you work your way around the perimeter. Once all the clips are disengaged, gently pull the entire panel outwards. Remember to support its weight and be cautious of any remaining electrical connections or cables. For the final step, you'll need to disconnect the remaining electrical connectors. These typically include wires for the window switches, door lights, and possibly speakers. Gently press the release tabs on each connector and pull them apart. Also, carefully unclip the door handle cable and any other mechanical linkages. When you're ready to reinstall, reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align perfectly and every screw is tightened securely for a firm fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.